Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another banger, Savannah haul. So let's just get started. This is gonna be a really short haul because I don't have much items, so I just wanted to show you whatever I got. So first I got 6 bottles of perfumes here, and I really love this perfume. The least favorite is this Would You, because I'm not the kind to use a very strong kind of perfume. This gives me very manly vibes, so I don't want to like use this often, but I would give it to my mom though. She likes strong perfume. This one is my favorite, Soft Girl Hours. I like smelled all of it because I was shooting for content, and I really love this one. This is like a banger. And then I have this other perfume that I really liked. It's called Berry Obsessed. It's in pink, and yeah, I love this. So Savannah is like selling perfumes now, and it's really nice. Then I like this Peach Please, and then the Pop Off. And then I also like the sugar coated. So I liked 5 of these perfume, and the other one out of 6 perfumes that Savannah is selling right now. This is my least favorite because it's a bit strong, and I don't like strong perfume. I got this 3 packets of eyelashes because I like some DIY lashes. So whenever I get my lashes done and I need to go and refill it, but I don't have time to do that, or I'm not doing any lashes appointment because of whatever reason, I get this for myself because I like it. And this is wispy DIY lashes. This one, I like it. I love this shape. It gives me very anime kind of vibes. So I got 2 of these, and I just used some of these. So I have applied it right now, and I really like it. It's really nice. And the other lash I got out of the 3, this is a bit different. It looks like this. So this is not something I love, but it's like whenever you are refilling the lashes you get at the salon, or sorry, not salon, at the lashes studio, you can like use this to get it refilled if you have to refill it and you don't have time to do so. And then I got this band. So this is the band for my head. I don't know, I think I had some money left there that I could use for around like 80 rupees extra. So this was the only thing I could get for 80 rupees, 87 rupees. So yeah, I got this. I also got this set of earrings that I opened the packet for. So I have like opened it and checked if I like it. But most of these earrings are like pretty chunky. I liked it, but I cannot like show you all. But I'll attach a picture here. Also got this clip that I was using actually to like clip my hair this way while I was like straightening and all. But I am not straightening my hair right now, and I was using this while washing my face. So yeah, I used it. So I got this hand bracelet or whatever you call it. So you can put it here or here, but this one is damaged. So I've asked them to exchange it or return it because it's damaged. It's a pendant. It's a cross pendant, and if you know me, I love a cross pendant. So let me just show you. I know I'll be shopping more. I have more items to come. So this is a cross pendant, and you all know how much I love a cross. So yeah, this is the pendant that I got, and I love it. It's really nice. And I also forgot to show you some items from last time. So let me just show you a few items I got from Savannah last time. Yeah. So this is a makeup brush set I got for my eye, and I've been using it. I don't know how many pieces it has, but it has a lot of makeup brush in it. And then I also got this silicone pouch to keep my makeup brush so that it does not get dirty. And I have this blender cover, which is actually really good, and it protects my makeup bag from getting dirty. So this is the makeup blender silicone pouch, and it is really nice. It avoids my bag from getting foundation all over it, and I love this. And also, I got this makeup bag because my actual makeup bag was damaged. So I got this makeup bag last time from Savannah as well. This is a makeup brush bag to avoid my makeup bag from getting dirty again. So this is the one I have been using to carry my makeup brush. And I also got this from Savannah. So it is a silicone makeup brush cover again to avoid my bags from getting dirty. So extra protection, and I love it. So thank you guys for watching. It is indeed a really short haul, but I just wanted to show you whatever I got this week and few items I got last month, but I could not show it. So bye, see you on the next one.